Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to learn machine learning and AI for beginners, only way. Begin by choosing a small, motivating project and set concrete milestones you can measure. Prioritize Python basics, linear algebra intuition, and probability over memorizing algorithms. Build a study plan that balances theory with hands-on practice, and commit to short daily sessions that compound over months with consistent progress and reflection. Create a progressive learning path that starts with fundamentals and moves toward real projects. Combine structured courses with textbooks and focus tutorials to fill gaps efficiently. Allocate time for implementing algorithms from scratch, then transition to libraries to increase productivity. Use small curated projects to apply concepts, and periodically review earlier material to reinforce understanding and prevent shallow learning. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe to support the channel and get more content. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite makes reading tutorials and AI books effortless, so you can study on the couch or during commutes. I use it to review notes and papers without distractions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Hands-on practice accelerates learning far more than passive study, so choose projects that solve real problems. Start with data cleaning, exploratory analysis, and a baseline model, then iterate with improved features and validation strategies. Keep experiments reproducible with version control and clear notes, and seek feedback through reviews or communities. Over time, your portfolio will demonstrate growth and practical ability to potential collaborators or employers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.